Trying to choose between Connecteam and Homebase, both are popular workforce management platforms, but they serve different types of businesses. In this comparison, I will compare their features, pricing, and who each one is best for. Overview. Connecteam is an all-in-one workforce management app built for businesses with deskless and mobile employees. It combines scheduling, time tracking, communication, HR, and training in one platform. Homebase focuses primarily on employee scheduling, time tracking, payroll, and hiring, making it especially popular with restaurants, retail stores, and small local businesses. Features. When it comes to workforce management, Connecteam offers more tools. You get employee scheduling, Jeep's time tracking, team chat, task management, digital forms, onboarding, training courses, document storage, and workflow automation, all in a single app. Homebase includes scheduling, time clocks, shift swaps, hiring tools, payroll, and team messaging. It's easy to use, but doesn't provide the same depth of HR and operations features as Connecteam. If you need an all-in-one employee management platform, Connecteam has the advantage. Pricing. Both platforms offer free plans for small teams. Connecteam's paid plans are generally more affordable for growing businesses, especially since they include a wide range of workforce management features. Homebase also has competitive pricing, but advanced scheduling, payroll, compliance, and HR tools require higher tier plans, which can increase costs as your business grows. Ease of use. Both platforms are beginner friendly. Homebase has a simple interface that's great for managers creating employee schedules. Connecteam has more features, but its mobile first design makes it easy for employees and managers to use, especially for teams working in the field. Final verdict. Choose Connecteam if you want a complete workforce management solution with scheduling, communication, HR, training, and operations tools in one place. It's ideal for construction, cleaning, healthcare, logistics, field services, and other mobile teams. Choose Homebase if your main priorities are employee scheduling, time tracking, and payroll for a restaurant, cafe, or retail business. Overall, Connecteam is the better choice for businesses looking for a scalable all-in-one workforce management platform, while Homebase is perfect for smaller businesses focused on scheduling and hourly staff management. If this comparison helped you decide, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more software comparisons, and let me know down below in the comments which platform you are considering. Thanks for watching and goodbye.